Here is how this YouTube channel is secretly making millions of views until he monetized his channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through an exciting strategy on how to use artificial intelligence (AI) to create a YouTube channel that mirrors the success of a trending one. If you've ever wondered how some channels grow so fast and rack up millions of views in no time, stay tuned because you're about to uncover their secrets. Let's dive into a fascinating example to kick things off. Here's a channel that joined YouTube on September 13, 2024. In just 3 months, it skyrocketed to 256,000 subscribers and garnered an impressive of 100 million views. Yes, you heard that right, 100 million views in such a short span. Even more mind-blowing is that the channel managed to upload 177 videos during this period. So, what's the secret? Here it is. AI tools. Every single one of their videos was created using AI, enabling them to produce content at an extremely fast pace. These videos are not just fast to make, but also easy to create, requiring minimal effort compared to traditional methods. The cherry on top, this channel has already joined YouTube's partner program, which means it's now earning money from ads. Now, here's a quick question for you. How much revenue can a YouTube channel generate with 100 million views, specifically from shorts? Let's crunch the numbers. Taking an average RPM of 1.20, every million views could earn about $120. Multiply that by 100 million views and you've got a whopping $12,000. That's not bad, right? The best part is that you can replicate this formula. As a wise person once said, we stand on the shoulders of the giants. In other words, to succeed on YouTube, observe what successful creators are doing, learn from them, and then aim to outshine them. Are you ready to get started? Let's break down into actionable steps. First, take one of the videos from this trending AI-powered channel as an example. Pause the video at a significant moment and take screenshots of each key scene. These images will serve as the foundation for creating your own video. Save these screenshots to your computer in a dedicated folder for easy access. Secondly, now it's time to bring in ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT and upload the screenshots you just saved. Type a prompt like, generate a detailed scene descriptions based on these images, including suggestions for animations and background sounds. Hit generate and voila, ChatGPT will provide you with the detailed prompts for each scene, including creative ideas for animations, transitions, and even sound effects. Don't have access to ChatGPT Plus? No problem, you can use Poe instead. Open Poe, select the GPT model, upload your screenshots, and enter the same prompt. It works just as effectively. Step 3. With your prompts ready, head over to Pycan AI, a tool designed for generating visuals. Select the Flux model, which is perfect for dynamic image creation. For shorts, set the aspect ratio to 9:16. For regular YouTube videos, use 16:9. Paste your prompts into the tool and let it generate high-quality images for each scene. Once the images are ready, download them onto your computer. Make sure to organize these files neatly as you need them in the next steps. Step 4. Turn images into videos with Kling AI. Next, we'll transform these images into a cohesive video. Open Kling AI, a tool that specializes in turning still images into videos. Use the image to video feature, upload your generated images, and copy-paste the relevant prompts for animation. Click generate and let the tool work its magic. Depending on your membership plan, the process might take some time. If you're using the free version, it's a good idea to prepare your materials a day in advance. Once the video is ready, download it to your computer. Step 5. Add sound effects and edit with CapCut. Now comes the fun part, editing. Download sound effects that match your video's themes, such as ocean waves, dolphin calls, or any other ambient sounds. Open CapCut, a user-friendly video editing tool, and import both your video and your audio files. Now here's what to do next. Drag your video into the timeline, trim and resize the video to remove any watermarks or unnecessary parts, add your sound effects to create an engaging auditory experience, and to enhance your video further, consider adding transitions and filters. These small tweaks can make a huge difference in how polished your final video looks. Step 6. Export and publish. Once you're satisfied with the video, export it from CapCut into the desired resolution. Congratulations, you've just created a professional looking video with minimal effort thanks to the power of AI. Now, upload your video to YouTube, and most importantly is to optimize the title and description for SEO, and don't forget to include relevant tags. Keep the momentum going by posting consistently, and soon enough you'll start seeing the growth on your channel. Tips for scaling up. Batch creation. Use AI tools to create multiple videos at once. This will help you maintain a consistent upload schedule, which is key to growing your channel. Engage with your audience, reply to comments, ask for feedback, and encourage viewers to like, share, and subscribe. This builds a loyal community around your content. Optimize thumbnails. Eye-catching thumbnails are crucial for attracting viewers. Use tools like Canva or Photoshop to design professional-looking thumbnails that stand out. Monitor analytics. Keep an eye out on YouTube analytics to see what's working and what's not. Use this data to refine your content strategy. Finally, starting a YouTube channel from scratch can feel very overwhelming. But with AI on your side, the process becomes much more manageable. The example we explored today proves that it's possible to achieve incredible results in just a short amount of time, as long as you're consistent and strategic. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It's about taking the small steps, consistent steps, and leveraging tools that make your life easier. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring these AI tools, experiment with your content, and who knows, you might be the next big thing on YouTube. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who you think might benefit from these tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck.